Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer Network. In my earlier video of Celer Network, I was showing you that after breaking out a very big falling wedge pattern, it also formed a falling broadening wedge pattern as well. And at the same time, it formed a harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup as well. That was also a trade signal for my members that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And I will also show you this move in today's video as well. And we will also watch this breakout from this broadening wedge and this broadening wedge and this falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Celer Network, and that I shared 4 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that Celer Network formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I was telling you that it is about to complete the final leg. You can see it was completing this final leg. It was not entered in this buying zone. Therefore, I was telling you that there is a probability that after completion of this final leg of the guard leg, we may have another price reversal as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down, completed the final leg of this guard lay, and now it is geared up. And I'm expecting that soon it will hit the sell target zone. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that was formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see this time Celer Network started a very powerful price reversal from this buying zone and rallied slightly beyond the sell target zone. That was almost 50% pump against Bitcoin. And I shared this idea on 17th of March 2023 with my members. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Now, let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart. And here, first, I would like to show you this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern that was happening here in the month of January 2023. And after this breakout, the price line has formed another rising wedge pattern. And now, after testing this support, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see it is likely to gear up from this support after testing this support. And at the same time, if we switch to the smaller time frame on the 4-hour time frame chart, and this was the falling broadening wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous video as well. And you can see whenever it was getting bounced, getting rejected by the resistance of this wedge, it was dropping down at the support, and after getting bounced, it was forming lower highs and lower lows as well. And now you can see that the price line has found its support here at 2.2 cents. And this is the reason that the price line did not move down to hit the support of this broadening wedge. And you can see here it was breaking as a resistance, and now it is breaking as a very, very nice support. Now we need to break out this downtrend line resistance of this broadening wedge in order to continue its move to the upside. And for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern, then the target after the breakout, first let me to tell you the target to the downside if we will break down. In that situation, the price can drop down here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 1 cent. But I'm expecting that it can break out this wedge because we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be approximately at 7.7 cents or 8 cents. And the target for this huge falling wedge pattern, you can see we have already broken out this wedge, and sooner or later we can hit this target. That is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.